We're a professional manufacturer of anodizing line. We have our own production base at Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. We focus on anodizing line technology production and development, and the equipment features are high-tech, high-efficient, energy-saving, environmental protection. For anodizing line equipment, we have two kinds of structure. One is vertical type anodizing line. The other is horizontal type anodizing line. As the technology of new energy resources is developing, the demands of industrial aluminum profiles anodizing treatment are increasing, like the solar panel, automobile sunroof rail. These years, we have accumulated rich experience in practice of anodizing production. Guangdong MEIO Technology Co. Ltd. MEIO Technology is a high-technology company in the aluminum material surface treatment factory and production processes, analysis and research of surface treatment equipment, the production and sales with the above related solutions and equipment. With a rich professional knowledge, abundant relationship network in the line of business, committing attitude and devoting spirit to services, we have been providing anodizing surface treatment technology support, etc. for our clients for a long history. MEIO Technology is located in the largest aluminum material production base in China, Nanhai District of Foshan City. Nanhai District, with advanced economic environment and favorable transportation conditions, has provided precious resources and abundant opportunities for the stable development and sustainable growth of our company. Armed with rich technology knowledge and industry experience, sophisticated production system, efficient management methods, and excellent company culture, MEIO Technology has been market lead in the aluminum material production line equipment, mainly consisted of large power SCR rectification devices, large power high-frequency switching electric devices, electrophoresis workshop water purified devices, refining devices, electrophoresis varnish recycling devices, anodizing tank temperature control system and production line, automatic control system, etc. In our perpetual effort and support of our partners in the industry, MEIO Technology has obtained outstanding achievements and is still maintaining a rapid development speed. With the operation spirit of professional, concentrate, integrity, co-win, MEIO Technology will provide with you excellent products and perfect services in the rooted concept of growing up with you. MEIO Technology is sincerely looking forward to make great future together with you. Power supply, the production line automatic control system, aluminum surface treatment equipment company. A professional, dedicated, honest win-win, business purpose and customers work together, achieve success together. Guangdong MEIO Technology is a company specializing in the aluminum anodizing material surface treatment factory. And production processes, analysis and research of aluminum surface treatment equipment, the production and sales with the above related solutions and equipment and service, and has a good reputation for providing high-quality solutions and anodizing production line surface treatment equipment. Our products are well received by both domestic and international customers. We are aware that your company occupies an important position in the country industry market and interested in anodizing production line, surface treatment equipment, and services. Our products and services can bring you cost savings, increase productivity, quality assurance, enhance business aspects, and create more business value. We look forward to have the opportunity to cooperate with you.